Belle Madame Kim SF in the shade 16, 20, 26, Root 8 Vanilla Light Root. Kim is a long, sleek style with slight layering that bends on the ends. Kim is a light density with very fine, high-quality synthetic fibers. Kim has a super front, finely gridded, very realistic lace front on a center mono. The shade is a 16 Honey Blonde, a 20 Iced Mocha Blonde or Medium Ash Blonde, and a 26 Golden Blonde on a 8 Root. The cap features an extended lace front with a center mono, very minimal permatease around the crown area, felt covered ear tabs with metal stays, an extended nape with Velcro strap adjusters. It is on an open wefted cap with minimal stretch. The cap will fit a petite to slightly average size circumference.